just want to Hey guys, I hope you are doing fine. I'm also doing okay. So guys, today I just decided to make a sit down video because I just want to talk about, since I posted my first video on YouTube, what are the challenges I've come across, what are the pros and cons I've seen. So I think I joined oh sorry, I think I joined YouTube, that is back in, I connected my account, that is back in 2019 December, but I never posted since then. So but I was eager and I wanted to post videos on YouTube to make content. I just came to post my first video, that is last year March, roughly 20 something, 20, I think to the same day, 29 20 something, 29th I think. So that is when I posted my first video. And since I posted my first video, it hasn't been easy. I've been watching tons of video in YouTube, just to see how you can grow your YouTube channel, how you can get views and subscribers, how what blah blah blah. So many videos are out here just to tell you how to start your YouTube channel, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get subscribers, but it hasn't been easy. I've been watching, doing research, finding out what to do, blah blah, so many things. So today I just want to talk about challenges I have been facing since I posted my first video. And my first video, I posted my first video, that was last year March. My first challenge, I can say, it has in just finding the correct niche to go with, because at times you can find that second or third video you are posting, you don't see anything, any improvement, any growth. So it demoralizes you, it demoralizes your growth, it demoralizes you from doing that work. And another thing is spending much time in editing doing videos. Mostly I was doing cooking videos, but the time you spend doing cooking videos, it just need, oh God, woo, now you just need God. Unaita tu Mungu akuja akae karibu. Doing cooking videos isn't it, si rahisi. So you find yourself, you take much time doing videos, then again you are going to take much time doing editing, doing thumbnails, doing what. So, and all this after a long time, when you post your video, oh, another he left, or maybe he clicked, he never watched. So you will just see 2 views, 1 view, 5 views hivyo. So haijakuwa rahisi from that. So haijakuwa rahisi sana, ni vile tu we are just trying to make things work. Because of me, I've not been consistent on YouTube. Sijakuwa consistent sana tangu ni join. I think I've been posting maybe a video after 2 weeks. That consistency part, if you are consistent, people will come back for more to watch your videos. Maybe that is where you will get subscribers and views. So I think from now on, I need to be consistent to post my video, because I've been out of it. Just because I've been out of it. So I will try to make videos each and every day. And I want to do a certain challenge. Each and every day I will be posting just to see. That one will be mine. And another one is, hey, this one is my accomplishment. At times you can have challenges, but you can have something you've accomplished at the end of the challenge. So my proudest accomplishment is just sitting in front of a camera, making a video, talking to you people, guys, telling you how challenging it has been. So it hasn't been easy. sitting in front of a camera, and so many people are out here want to make videos, but they can't do it because of facing the camera. So being me sitting down, making facing your making this video, that one is wow. can I'm proud of myself because of that, because but I still want to do it more, just to adapt with it, because it hasn't been easy. It hasn't been easy. Nothing comes easy. They say that you need to do much work. You need to do much work at every step of the way. So those are I think the few challenges I've been facing. But in case I come across any other, I will still let you know, guys. So this is the short version of this video. I just wanted to talk about this. I don't know what, as a new YouTuber out there, you are facing. Me, I'm just facing finding those views, subscribers, trying to figure out the niche that goes with you. And I think consistency is just about me. So those are the hell out I'm just still facing. But I know one day algorithm will match me one day. It is just a bit of time. And let us stay positive, stay focused. A new YouTuber, don't worry, everything will just fall into place when the right time comes. So let's just be positive at all times. So thank you, guys. If you've watched this video and you have the same problem, guys, may you comment it down there. Hey guys, so that is just the short version of this video. So if you find this video helpful, if you find anything, any challenge you are facing like mine, please subscribe, comment, like, so that we can work this journey together. And if you are a new content creator out there, don't worry, everything will just fall in place at the right time. Maybe it is not yet time, but just have that hope, keep God first, and just be positive at all time, because being positive will always increase your motive of making that video, and it also give you that urge to make another video each and every day. Don't worry, everything will just fall in place, and you will grow and you will be monetized. I have that hope. I know one day I will be monetized. Maybe it might not be now, but it will one day. So let's just be positive. Don't worry, just keep on that much, just do much work, do much work, just improve each and every video. I know everything will just be okay. See you next time, guys. For this one was just a short version of what I've been facing. So see you next time when I will make another video. Thank you and bye, guys. Have a nice time.